that look, African football is getting there now. In the past, they were happy. Club nation to say Mali. Our first no moon shed and Kahusa Bebre after Salif Keita era. But now his academy is producing a lot of quality. Now, me started from the Egyptian game. Mario Rogero, our Egyptian coach, tactically or astute. Wanya emre bebre amfa nyani team no tinyo ye no say or picky players are one omo ye very disciplined tactically. Now we share another game now and throughout the tournament ade ba ko a obenya ewo Egypt hono say almost cohesive units as team defending no enye omo njama only the defensive unit and your team nankasa everybody without the ball. Omo defend ye pa. Ni omo hia na se omenya go back kwashim. Enti enra immediately Ahmed El Said pass no call ya. Mahmoud Sabeh share ye pe. Omo say see now you see what is top class defending. 2 banks of 4 and 2. And the omo jai Osama Faisal anymore. Any Adel Ibrahim Massa.
And
what they do is that so unya opening opportunity to exploit. This is all defender no or close down to the stance that unya enough space or bet and Bakuno Kono you have another one following. And fortunately for them, because most of them players Hussam Abdelmagid Enra, he was top class. On it, Tarek, these are Zamalek, Ali, FC Future Stars. These are all players who are in the Egyptian league. Even though Omunye top tab, but they play and some technical level of experience at this level. And they defend so deep and they break when they are in transit so well. And the Omono, look, Edu baby. The Guineans decided, say, let's go all out. And look, Guinea midfield Maka is the best midfield through. And now what the coach did was that Osasa Oma Seduba say about left side of Mufana for the Camara bar the defensive midfield and then Ibrahim Fofana ball right. Omo bomb one kasa. There was an opportunity in 64 minutes. Seduba say ye born my Fofana, but Egyptian goalkeeper or a top class goalkeeper. Top or the fingertips and the ye Fofana. Don't forget that Guinea Ghana no Fofana ball. So as I go no some ball be able
yes.
And me see by inches. He's that good technically. Now omu yes no me say omu boyama Egypt you one thing about them that you don't worry, you bring the ball. They will shut you out, they will defend very well. And the omu frustrating nipa. So far in the tournament, no one consider go bia. The way they defend, look, Omo and time mistakes in defending. Yeah, Obi call into slide tackle or boxman Jensen him. Obi call to a line tackle. Debbie, Omo Jraho, Unchino, or Ben no be for so closing. And Osha, what they do normal is that don't say Atem Mohamed or led back. You see Sabeh Mohammed going there. Say, say Abrantie Ahmed 8 or right backer. Say Mahmoud Shobe Shehat Echo. At every point in time, they are making sure 2 people are doubling up. Because the Guineans, look, what Abrantie Aguba Kamara, left winger, is good. Agasane about their top player. They attack from the flank so well, but Omukobian, there are 2 people closing you down. They did everything they need to do Guinea. Second, I've got a half pack. Yes. And you are now or decides, okay, let me bring on Saad Mustafa. Okay, Saad Mustafa, brilliant player, top class winger. Saad Mustafa Bemo and Mahmoud Gehad Bemo. And Tiomono, Niomu say, Ombesan Kamefo, and see. And they did that perfectly. At the end of the day, they were able to go. Guinea team may have future, but the problem is almost 20 shots. even though your season target. But the point is that almost soon go share.
Anymore.
Because in Finfin, say you do what grow bob already, but I can't hear who which is the most important thing. So this team is good. Sanchez says a navigator mo ne Isiagasila mo ekwa. They have a solid team in this boys. The only problem any American ball ni bo nyina no. Ena adibago here timi nya set piece corner kick free kicks headers o. But misdirected header no. Ena nya about 5 headers. Team can go Osha any so team can come share 6.
Yes.
Miss a lot of headers. So those are the things going forward that I'm working on. Now, Morocco game no, it was like because the real test.
Oh, that's not kind.
Real test no
by a game.
Yes. Because ball now the two former ball. The only difference is we are quick or speed malifono. But see a ball, I'm bet to be a match. And a bar hondi a mile for a honding chain. Morocco phone. And Sisiano, a bedjana near my bakum, you know, any individual brilliance. And to realize that, and now, Mali 4 year, BB. Just 4 minutes per and I for the Dukuri, or left back no, or car. Ishmael is a berry back home. Some carriers are batters, no wingers, no. Because Abde Samad is Azulu left winger, no. Because only Ahmed Diomande, Befapa, then with different super. And then Ishmael Sabari, Suni. Abrantia for the Duguri and easy. And the 4 minutes no ma baku konimu or touchline. As part of the strategy, a bone who my konimu sorry. Then Ibrahim assist a centre back no so or my baku ko as a Zulimu in the 8 minutes. Because Moroccans no adwene say first half no so mo shegu. Send a bear on betimi abom game no. Enti e ka almost ka Ibrahim say ko ka as a Zulu so now I want now once I want few cra. Nina a defensive strategy in defending. Yeah, Ghana or my year in the past bar. Use a drink a basana or call Musa twice all through. Then in the 12th minute, Boubacar Traore a mistake. Near leading to the 14-minute goal. No, Boubacar Traore a mistake. Or yes, they can Americas in far ball. Americas in far ball. We are so quick. Or far ball now, Ismail Sabari. Yes, but check the right back. Zakaria Kwabe. Go on, say right back. Go no. Is the technical development ability of the players I'm talking about. You watch the pass to the right back. First start, bam. That's a right back. Right back, as I'm right back. Brilliant. And all the two more. Now, Oshewieno. Boubacar Traore, yes, but you see, let me tell you something. The Malifona started gaining confidence. Boubacar Traore, don't forget, or Wolverhampton Wanderers player. And now the master, do the tournament, Mamadou Diambu, master, Mefo controller, and I'm Mefo controller, Be Mukakra, Masajai, Muso Munienje, Unibochen, and see, on say Diambu, Boubacar Traore. Now they started pressing forward. And the first half, before going to Bebano, are almost closer to the ball, losing second ball to Ame Richardson. And Osama, I felt they were now the one winning and passing the second ball and almost growing into confidence. Malifono, almost growing to confidence. Now Mamadou Sangare. So what the coach did was that moving Mamadou Sangare from the left hand of Rebecca Mifo. So we have Mamadou Sangare here, Boubacar Traore here, and then Mamadou Diambe. Look, Omo Bobo, I feel the midfield of Ame Richardson, any Osama, Omo Bebreye, papa. And remember into the second half, so things are coaching here 5-13 because of that. They are the Malians control the midfield. Omo control midfield here now. Omo started so Omo Diagro. Now you have Ibrahim Assisi. He was high pressing. So anytime a ball Ibrahim Assisi or not the Mamadou Diambe play the ball. Omo control game. They decide to switch. Ibrahim Adiari is on the left, playing so well there. Sekou Doumbia, unfortunately, on price Sekou Doumbia. And no, a deliberate tackler, and Mary Richardson, a part of the game. Referee no. Okono Tiano Fembo. And T one in night car, medical team, sure, no, sir, Debbie. Omu uniform na be phone mobile. Shekna, Allahu, Diakite. Diakite Bana video, no, so a tree master. and or we bakum you know and or the mama do Dumbia and a Dumbia from 1-1 second half be sure game come and see football now the Moroccans were rather defending deep against the Malians.
I'm with you.
Mali for the ball master ball no offemo any long ball was on it well we far away yes look they were controlling the game they played so well until VR go no by VR go no by Ezazuni go no by Ezazuni by Hamza Almagani Efrimo now only coach was later be player wouldn't have been 7 or by Ishmael Sabari from 17 minutes pen with you and also you know Ezazuni by I think it was all thing at the penalty which penalty that one of the people converted penalty here I mean Ezazuni
Yeah
but 17 minutes then he took the player from brought him and I overshare goal now Taha Yunus ebe and the man who assist is also for the bench now go no by we no Ibrahim assist a fault so when we are coach no bufu here until Ibrahim assist a free mu and normal Lamin Sumaru ebe take over na maza afi de be hwe ni aka no since Sheikh Nadia Kite Bemu and normal Yusuf Maiga the second goal no you see Maiga su Bemu come and see pressure extra time pressure and Emma second goal no by Hamdou Diallo Musa Yusuf Maiga equalizer anaba now edu baby na Morocco for bebe buso Usman Tagalin abim quickly Usman Tagalin or substitute or 5
so yeah 10-5
Ibrahim Asare because first of all now why if you Kenusi free mu or Ishmael Saberi or Yanis Begrawi free mu sorry I say and or you Osama ni start or you
nyina
so now he was thinking of penalty on him say Eka so omo by no sure penalty no Taha Yunus Esheye I mean Uzani Esheye and then Osama Tagalani Esheye and Ezazuli Susheye so clearly omo dey on free bench but 3 penalty expert omo nya be convert here na near year me ya penalty shoot out there Boubacar Traoré first penalty and Sadi very important penalty what be share first on BC na Osman Tagalin share me say kai
Ayeka
and Uncle for you there penalty omo ya there pa and old Ahmed Diomande so but last one kana share na ebia Morocco for museum no so go say na I'm winning but me are proud of them and now share attendance way under 20 this is not Atlas Lions the attendance was massive me so much first goal no massa